boy, I am so excited. It's just a time to talk to my all-time scientific idol, silent for very cats and dogs and puffer birds. Cast the calls in the radio salt show. I just hope I don't go out and getting the hick. Oh, have I turned? Again, researchers wind up getting the hick. Oh, Joe's. Hi, baby. What's up? I'm soon to be going. No, I guess I'm soon to be going. A case of hick. Oh, Joe's. Well, you know what they say about killing the hiccups. No. Hick. What? What the heavens did you do that for? Well, that's what they say about hearing the hiccups. There's nothing like a good shop. And hey, it seems to be actually worked. You are saying Plan B time. Well, you know what they say about curing the hiccups? No? What? We've already tried that. Oh, sorry. No problem. You may have already tried it, but this time, thanks to moi, it seems to actually work. Yay! You're saying hiccup. Skip song. Yeah. Plan C time. Something tells me we're gonna have to go to a good chunk of the alphabet before we trail. What? Oh no, and okay, Plan F. Hold your breath. Okay, distract the hiccuper by hiccuping by doing a random activity. I feel ridiculous. All that matters is result, Pinky. Zanny, why are you and I standing on your heads too? Standing on your heads can stop hiccuping. But we're not hiccuping. Exactly the point. I think there's a minor logic since Pinky's the one that has been hiccuping. And in case you haven't noticed, she's suddenly not hiccuping either. I tell you, Sky. Oh no, and oh god, no, please. Oh no, this one is. Sure, and I wanted you to LinkedIn. Every matter has failed. Have you tried hypnotism? Hypnotism is just a parlor trick. It doesn't. You do not have hiccups. You do not have hiccups. I do not have hiccups. I do not have hiccups. Got it? Like I was saying, Sky, hypnotism doesn't work. Well, I think it does. Well, at least hiccup. Some. Okay, no solution and it still didn't work. We've tried socks, we've tried holding our breath, we've tried reaction, distractions, and then even hypnotism. Got it! Oh yeah. Well, then again, it just dawned on me. We still haven't tried.
Dawned on me, we haven't tried.
Goggy, just pause. Goggy. Hiccup. That was Plan X. We're running out of the alphabet. These hiccups are driving me crazy. We have to find a solution. What do you think, Scott? Well, wait, I've got another great idea. Another one. We still haven't tried. Okay, the perfect way to hear you know who's is by reading a fashionable tongue twister. My God. Okay, Pinky, seriously. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Hiccup. created a new alphabet. We only got 2 more chances left. Oh God. We can do it. We can emerge these Hiccup victorious. You still haven't told us what you think, Sky. I actually can't think of anything. Besides, you know what they say about killing the hiccup? Blah, 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 blah. We already tried that. Oh, sorry. Yeah, we already tried that, but it didn't work. Are you sure? Well, sure, I'm sure. After all of that, we could not stop killing the hiccups. Yay! It worked! On second thought, I thought that yay was the tiniest bit premature. Of course, you know, just get hiccup! Hiccup, 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 cup, cup. Hiccup, 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 cup, cup. Why is this totally disastrous string to mine? Actually, yeah, baby, you might be wrong. You know what phrase is actually worse than total disaster? No, maybe we are looking at this hiccup thing wrong. Maybe it might not be so bad. Just listen. Hiccup, 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 hiccup. Go, go. Hiccup, hiccup. Hiccup, 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 cup, cup. Hiccup, 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 cup, cup. God, Paul. Hiccup, 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 cup, cup. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Hiccup, 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 cup, cup. Hiccup, 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 cup, cup. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Hiccup, 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 cup, cup. Hiccup, hiccup, brr, 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 brr.